is the perfect companion to our favorite fall dishes, a bowl of warm chili made better with cornbread. Even the famous Thanksgiving dinner, it's sweeter with the slice, and it doesn't get better than this recipe. Elena Davis is here to share all the goodness with us. So you're saying, like with me in my box, no, we're making this from scratch. We're doing it beautifully, like you say.
Are making this from scratch.
Okay.
It's made in one bowl. It's so easy. You're gonna see me just dump everything, stir it, put it in a pan and bake it.
Okay.
No more dry cornbread.
Just nothing but moistness. You're gonna show us the ways.
It's so soft. It's almost like cake. Everyone, it just gets devoured, like the whole tray.
Yummy.
So
okay,
let's just get into making it because it's so easy and we can just show it all right here. I've got 4 eggs in here. You can make this taller. You can make it in a longer pan and make the cake or the cornbread, you know, shorter, just depending on what kind you like. So we're going in with our buttermilk, which makes it, oh my gosh, so moist. And then our butter, okay? Because it is the holidays and we are not skipping.
Do not hold back.
Well, any time of year, we are not going to skip on the butter. But you can see how rustic this is. I'm literally making it with a fork. You can use a whisk if you want and be a little more sophisticated, but I'm really just showing this like level of
this is raw,
your kids can make this.
Gotcha.
I mean, honestly.
Make it fun.
It's ingredients that you have in your pantry and in your fridge.
So easy, so convenient.
Yes. So now that it's nice and mixed together, we're gonna hit it with a little bit of sugar to sweeten it up. This is a little bit of a sweeter cornbread.
Okay.
But there is a lot of dry ingredients, so it's like sweet, but it's not like, oh, I'm eating cake.
Not overwhelmingly
kind of a thing.
sweet.
Yeah, and so you'll love it. And then we're gonna come in with our dry ingredients. Here I have my flour, my salt, and my baking powder. I'm not even...
Dump it all in there.
Yeah, you're just gonna put it all in here. And then the star of the show is, of course, the good cornmeal that you want to use.
What kind do you use?
So I love the Quaker brand.
Okay.
It's really good.
That's your go-to?
Yes, I just love that one. And really, we're just gonna mix it all together in this bowl, and it's gonna create this yummy batter. I just even love how it smells. It's like, it's so good. And everyone loves that it's homemade. You just bring this to any gathering. It's like, give me a bowl of soup. Where's the cornbread?
You gotta have it for sure.
So
is this good to make fresh, or can you make it ahead and it still kind of hold its freshness and flavorness?
That's a great question. This is awesome to make ahead and then reheat. You can also freeze it and reheat it. So you can make it like a week ahead of time. And look at that batter. It just comes together so easy.
This is where the moistness comes, all in that ingredient.
Look at that. Just so easy. You literally can make it with a fork and a dough hook. So then this is what it looks like. This is the final product. And you can serve it with a little bit of butter, a drizzle of honey, whatever you want. Oh, yes. I love to feed, so I can't wait.
I will hold back. All right, thank you. And where can we learn more and get the recipe as I'm indulging this?
It's all cucinabyelena.com. I'm on Instagram. Message me. I'm there every day. And then all the recipes are live always on cucinabyelena.com.
This is fabulous. Thank you so much.
No
more box for me.
No.
All fresh and hot.